Welcome to Guide You Right channel. In this video, I will show you how to repost reels or posts on Instagram. So, reels play an essential role in creating Instagram presence. Self-made video content demonstrate your personality to followers, and sharing others' reels keep your account fresh without the work of crafting new and engaging material. As you know, now Instagram has a new feature that we can repost others' reels to your profile. So how to do it? It's very simple. So first of all, you have to make sure that your Instagram is on the latest version. So you can check on your App Store or Play Store. You can check it. If there is an option to update, you can update it first, your Instagram, because this feature only available on the latest version of Instagram. After that, you can open your Instagram account. After it finish, you can open your Instagram account and you can open the Reels section, and you can choose on the Reels that you want to repost. There is an option like repost icon here beside the Reels. For example, you want to repost this one, you can just tap on here. You can also drop an emoji. Okay, here's. You can drop an emoji as your caption on your repost, or you can add any caption in here. You can also repost more than one. This. Tap on save, and all the reposted reels or posts will be saved on your profile, so you can check on your profile. And here's the repost section. All the reposted posts and also reels will be saved in here. Not only reels, but you can also repost like this. Someone post like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to repost reels on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.